In today's video, we will see how to use the cruise control on your Volkswagen Taos. First thing you want to do is when you take a look at the buttons over here, you need to press on this button over here to enable it. And then adjust your speed using the gas pedal and press on the set button to set it. From there, well, it's done. You just don't press anything and it will go on at the speed you choose. Now, I am arriving in a 90 kilometers per hour zone. I will want to increase the speed. And this is done with the button on the left over here. I can press on the res button, and as you can see, it will increment one by one the speed. The white is my actual speed and the green is the target speed. If I want to increment by 10, I can use the plus button over here, and as you can see, it will climb up to 100 just like that. If I want to go down to 90, I press on the less button and it goes at 90. If I want to go at 95, I will press the res button 5 times, and there we go. I'm going at 95 kilometers per hour. Then there is another interesting feature that we need to see, and it's the adaptive cruise control. It says ACC on the board. When you hit the button at the end of the stick over here, it pop up a menu over here that you can navigate with the buttons over here. If you go down here on speed, you see there is the ACC for adaptive cruise control, and you can go down to cruise control. If you just choose cruise control, that's a simple cruise control. There is no assistant. It goes at the speed you choose. But if you go back to ACC and you select it, then actually, because I just changed it, I will need to hit the res button because it did stop the cruise control. And as you can see, I'm now approaching a car in front of me, and this car will eventually show up on the board and the speed will decrease. As you can see here now, that car did pop up on here and I'm slowing down. I still have my target speed over here, but now I'm only going at 65 kilometers per hour. I can change the distance I am from this car by pressing multiple times on this button over here. So if I press it more time, you will see that it will increase the distance between me and the car in front of us. You can also press that button and use the plus and minus to adjust that distance. So that is as simple as that. Oh, there's another feature that we need to see, and it's the one that we have right over here. When you enable that, you will see 2 lines appearing on each side of the road, and this is the line assist. So if I try to go in the fields, well, the car will correct its orientation to keep on the line. I can put my hand over the wheels and it will drive safely, but at some point it will beep just like that and ask you to take over back the control. Don't do that. So yeah, that's how the adaptive cruise control work on the Volkswagen Taos. I hope this video was helpful.